Ever pondered why a seemingly distant phenomenon like the polar vortex has such a profound impact on North America's weather? Today, we dive into the depths of this cold mystery. A polar vortex, in simple terms, is a large area of low pressure and cold air surrounding the Earth's north and south poles. It's always there, but its influence varies. During winter, the polar vortex at the North Pole expands, sending cold air southward. This is often associated with outbreaks of cold, intense storms in North America, Europe, and Asia. Imagine the polar vortex as a large icy cage holding the frigid polar air in place. When the cage weakens, it allows that cold air to escape and flow southward, affecting the weather patterns far from the poles. For North America, this often means plummeting temperatures and severe winter storms. This phenomenon is not a new occurrence. However, recent studies suggest that the polar vortex has been destabilizing more frequently. This leads to intense cold snaps and snowfall in places that don't typically experience such harsh conditions, like the southern United States. The reasons behind this increased destabilization are still a topic of ongoing research, but some scientists suggest a connection to a warming Arctic. So, what have we learned today? We've unraveled the enigma of the polar vortex, a vast, icy, low-pressure system encircling the poles and its role in driving cold weather south. We've discovered how its expansion and destabilization affect weather patterns, often causing intense cold and storms in North America. We've also touched on the ongoing research into why this destabilization seems to be happening more frequently, and its potential links to Arctic warming. In understanding the polar vortex, we gain a greater appreciation for the complex, interconnected nature of our planet's climate system. It's not just about how weather happens, but why it happens, and how changes in one part of the world can ripple out to affect us all. And with that, we gain the knowledge and insight to better predict, prepare for, and navigate the challenges of our changing world.
Ever pondered about the bracing impact of winter storms on North America? Well, it's a tale of ice, snow, and the power of nature that can leave us in awe and, at times, in despair. Let's rewind to the day after Christmas 2023. The central United States found itself in the icy grip of a winter storm. It brought heavy snow and high winds, turning visibility into a whiteout and making travel conditions treacherous. Kansas was particularly hard hit, with one person losing their life and 3 others injured in a car accident due to the icy roads. The storm didn't stop there. It also resulted in power outages, downed tree branches, and the closure of national parks and highways in certain areas. Fast forward to the first week of January 2024. The snow-packed slopes of Palisades Tahoe Ski Resort in California witnessed a deadly avalanche. It was the first avalanche fatality of the winter season in the United States. The avalanche occurred on the first day that the resort's K-22 chairlift was opened, a terrain meant for expert skiers and snowboarders. The victim was a 66-year-old resident of Point Reyes and the Truckee area. 3 other skiers, although injured, were fortunate enough to escape with non-life-threatening injuries. However, these winter storms don't just bring tragedy. They also highlight the resilience and adaptability of the human spirit. Amidst the icy conditions, people find ways to band together, to help each other, and to forge a path towards recovery. In summary, winter storms in North America can be both awe-inspiring and devastating. They bring with them heavy snow, high winds, and treacherous conditions. Yet, they also reveal the strength and resilience of communities, reminding us of the power of nature and the human spirit alike. The memories of these winter storms of 2023 and 2024 will live on, serving as a stark reminder of the impact of winter weather on our lives.